Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick project update video here. The 1932 Chevy from my past video, welding in the roof skin, is going to go back to the owner now. I did a little more work since then. I reconstructed this whole tailpan area. It had a bunch of crude old repairs, and also this area is originally flat on the 32 Chevys. So the owner wanted something a little different, so I made up a body line there so it doesn't look quite so plain. The owner's going to be building a frame for this car this winter and then getting the body all mounted up and squared up, and then probably going to be bringing it back for a little more work once all that's done, but I've kind of taken it as far as I can take it without the body being mounted to the frame. Also did some repairs at the top of the quarter panel here. There was some really nasty old patchwork there, so I did some nasty new patchwork to it and made it a little more presentable looking. You can see what I cut out and the finished product. There's a peek at the back side of the repair. And the same story over here. And a look at the backside, and also a quick look at the bracing I did on the roof insert for my past video. So this is actually just the factory braces out of the Chevelle donor roof. I just tack welded it in for now because the owner is going to be replacing all the wood in the car. So there's another look at the roof skin. Still seems to be holding out water, so say it's a success. And yeah, I really enjoyed working on this car, and hopefully it comes back. So future project here, I started on this 1933 Chevy a few years ago. I've decided I'm going to be pulling it out here in the next couple months, finishing up some of the metal work, and then putting it up for sale. I've had it for like 5 years, and well, it's not going to see the road under my ownership, so it's time to find it a new home. And I'm pretty excited about this. This is a 1935 Chevy Master sedan. I just bought this car today, so it's an older restoration. Needs a little TLC, but it is a running, driving car. And I'm hoping to take it on a road trip here later this month, but I'm just really excited to have this car, so hopefully there'll be some more videos on this in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching.